So where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Australia.
First time in Japan. My name's Forrest.
First.
Yes. Where are we going today?
Today we are gonna go to all you can eat sushi.
All we can eat sushi.
Yep. So you hungry?
Very hungry.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.
You excited?
Very excited.
Okay, let's go. Kanpai. Is it the first time to try?
First time trying to eat.
Yeah, let's go.
Tastes like the sea.
これ食べる順番とかってあるんですか？
料理、昔のね、味の店のから自分が食べたいもの食べるんですよ。
Like, are they in order to eat the sushi like appropriately? And he was like, you know, like, whatever you want. So,
Whatever looks good.
yeah.
お寿司のご飯と甘く煮たかんぴょうを合わせてます。そうですね。
This one is eel. Yeah, you can use your hand if you want. Yeah, that's good.
Plus, the ShoMeJapan is famous for its special tuna and fresh fish and stuff. The fish is sourced from Tsukiji fish market every morning. And it's a great place to enjoy sushi with your hand, which is the common practice here in Japan. Bye.
Wow.
It's sweet, isn't it?
Oh, it's sweet. This is awesome.
Tuna package. Deeper tuna. Thank you.
Out of 10.
12.
12.
You forgot to dip that soy sauce. Yeah. Is it good?
Melt in your mouth.
First, how was the sushi out here?
Really, really good.
Very good.
I'm really full. They gave us so many different types of tuna,
Yeah.
and all you can drink.
So what did you drink?
I drank. What did I drink? What is the first? I had lemon,
The lemon sour.
lemon sour, plum wine, and it's a red wine.
What was your favorite?
Or the plum wine
The plum wine.
The
How
Japanese
do you like the
plum
plum wine?
on the rocks.
On the rock. So how does it taste like?
Sweet, like
Sweet.
plum.
How was the tuna?
Tuna was amazing. It melted in your mouth. Where are we now?
We're in Pachinko right now. The Shinjuku is the biggest red light district here in Tokyo, and I will show you how to play Pachinko. Insert money here. Press the button. And then the balls are coming out from a scene. And pull the lever to launch a ball. And be careful not to pull the lever too strongly, as the ball may not land in center slot. Hold the lever halfway for better control. You enjoy Pachinko? Waste of money, huh?
Would not recommend.
Not recommend, yeah, I know. So we lost. Hey, we're in the golden guy. Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on. You good?
Very good. Very happy.
Yeah, and then we are gonna try what?
Seahorse. Sure.
I don't like this, but yeah, if you want to try.
I'll try it.
Let's see. So Golden Guy in Shinjuku, Tokyo is a famous area with 280 small bars in a narrow street, offering a unique and a lively nightlife experience.
How was the seahorse?
Fine. Good. Tastes like mild tequila.
Yeah, that's easy.
Easy.
This is so fun. This is so fun.
How was? Yeah.
Awesome. We just had a seahorse shot.
Yeah.
Tasted fine.
Yeah.
Tasted normal. Maybe we try the cockroach
No.
next time. Cockroach next time.
No.
Cockroach shot.
Hell no.
And the snake shot. Seahorse, cockroach. Go.
Oh, maybe yeah. Next time.
Next time.
Sure.
Tomorrow night. Stay tuned.
Bye bye.